Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to give a short presentation on some interesting fact. Some interesting facts. First, the Mona Lisa has no eyebrows. The strongest muscle in the body is. Can you have any guess? What is the strongest muscle in our body? It is tongue. Ants take rest for around 8 minutes in 12 hours period. Coca-Cola was originally green. The most common name in the world is Muhammad. Camels have 3 eyelids to protect themselves from the blowing desert sand. Climate change is causing flowers to change color. Dentist is the oldest profession in the world. North Korea and Cuba are the only places where you can't buy Coca-Cola. The world's quietest room is located at Microsoft's headquarters in Washington State. The global adult literacy rate is around 86%. FB has more users than population of the US, China, Brazil combined. Dolphin sleeps with one eye open. 1/4 of all your bones are located in our feet. And can you guess how much bone are in our body? Let me tell you, there are total 26 bone in our body. And one important interesting fact is 26 bone are located in our feet, in our one feet, and in both feet there are 52 bone located. At least one of the color of the Olympic flag appear on the national flag. The color of Olympic is found in every national flag. A snail can sleep for 3 years. A polar bear are left-handed. A man blinks twice as much as man. The ocean contains almost 2 lakhs different viruses. Some of them are good, whereas some of them are bad. Chocolate can kill dogs as it contains theobromine, which affects their heart and nervous system. People say blessed. People say bless you when you sneeze because our heart stops for a millisecond. Pigs can't look up into the sky. The name of all the continents end with the same letter that they start with. You can't kill yourself by holding your breath. You can't kill yourself by holding your breath. All giant pandas in zoos around the world are on loan from China. Canada has 9% of the world's forest. More than 52% of the world's population under 30 years old. The best place in the world to see rainbows is in Hole. Whale songs can be used to map out the ocean floor. Thank you.